Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today on my channel, we are going to be doing a get ready with me, testing out all new Osmosis products. Those Osmosis products are not all new as in brand new, meaning they are new to me. The only item that I have tried before today is the Osmosis foundation. I do have a wear test on this. However, everything else I am using in this video is new to me, just pulled it out of the box. I do have, I'd say, 4 items that are not Osmosis that I added into this because they were something I needed, like brows, setting spray, concealer. Maybe that's 3. That might be it. So I'm going to jump right into this and show you how I got ready. Good morning all. So we are going to get ready together today. Haven't done one of these in a while. We're going to get ready using all of my new products from one brand. I did realize after I did this started to do this, that I did not get a concealer. That's the only thing I forgot. So we're gonna jump into it. I missed that one. We're gonna jump into it. Now, the first thing I'm starting with is the Osmosis Performance Wear Satin Foundation in the color Natural Medium. The color selection on this line is not the best, but the product is pretty darn good. I actually have a whole wear test on this if you are interested in seeing how it lasts throughout a day. I mean, you'll see right now how I'm putting it on, but if you go to that video, you'll be able to see exactly how it wears throughout the day, because today you're just going to see how I'm applying it. So I figured I would sit down. I haven't done one of these in a while, and after everything that has gone on around the world, I figured let's just sit down and chat, right? Craziness. Don't want to talk about all the craziness going on with the coronavirus and all that, but I do figure that it's good just to chat and get to know you guys a little bit more. I know there's a lot of new followers. If you are new here, I greatly appreciate you following along. If you are new and just seeing this video for the first time, my whole purpose here with my channel is over 40. I am 46 years old, style and confidence, and that does not just pertain to clothing items. That also pertains to beauty items and feeling the best we can all the time. I think that is just so key. Just feeling confident when you go out. You just want to feel like yourself and feel like the best you. And what I love, you might not love, and that is okay. It does not have to be the same things. You don't have to follow suit of what you see on Instagram, on YouTube, all those different things. You do you. Like, what I love might not be what's in style right now or on trend right now, but what I love is what I love and what is working for me, and that's okay. That's how we should be doing things. I have a lash moving. I'm using my Dior concealer because, as I mentioned, I thought I had ordered an Osmosis one, but I'm guessing not. So these products are all sent to me. They just sent me some products to try out. I had told them that I was interested in the foundation, and then they said, well, what else can we send you? So I was very excited to try these products. The foundation is the only item I have tried before today. The rest of these I just took out of the box about 5 minutes ago when I sat down to get ready to do this. It is mostly facial products, skincare, things like that. I've got, like, there we go, glob of concealer sitting over there. All of these products are from a newer, I would say, not a brand new, online company called Skin Beautiful RX. You know what? I almost went to use my Laura Mercier. We're going to use the translucent powder that is from Osmosis for today to set even under my eyes. We'll see how this does under my eyes. Let's see. It looks nice. It doesn't look heavy or cakey. All right, looks nice. Sometimes if you put a powder under your eyes that's not particularly made for under the eyes, it can get like heavy looking. Doesn't look heavy. All right, we can play with that. Let's set the rest of the face with this translucent. It's a translucent pressed powder. It's setting nicely. I love a good translucent powder. So I am oily combination skin type, just as a note. Also, if you are new here, I have pigmentation, I have redness in my skin, and I have a lot of texture that I'm constantly working on. Can you hear my dogs downstairs drinking? I can hear them drinking water. All right, now let's go on to bronzer. Let me find it. It's called South Beach is the color that I got. Oh, there's the little clear thing. This is the color. I'm not sure if it's gonna, might be a little bit, I gotta blend that one out. That might be a little bit too much on that side. Look at that. All right. It's hard to tell sometimes just how much pigmentation a product's gonna have, so I went a little bit crazy on that side, but that's all right. We'll work it out and make them all even. Do under the neck. I will be doing an update on my Kybella, but it won't be until I'm done all 4 sessions. If you are new here, my focus in 2020 is skincare. So I am actually right now in the process. I only have had 2 done thus far of the Kybella treatments. My 3rd one was scheduled, but I have to reschedule it because of all the cancellations. That bronzer's pretty. I thought, looking at it, I was like, this is not going to be dark enough, and I think that's why I did too much. I thought it was going to be more like a blush. That's got a good amount of pigmentation to it, guys. I'm impressed with that. All right, there is a, let me find it. The packages look the same. Highlighting quad. I'm going to do a light highlight. That's pretty. I'm going to use this also, by the way, as my shadows. We're going to use, looking at the blush color, I'm going to use these 2 right here. I'm going to kind of, let's see. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know if I needed to go back in there. I just realized. Could have probably gotten by with just, I'm going to use this as my eyeshadow today too, though, when I get to that point. The blush is in the color Summer Rose. My typical color is a good, like, peachy pink, like, kind of matte color. I want to add the highlighter where I want it. I just want a flushed look. I don't want to look like I'm wearing blush. Add a little bit up here because it looks like the sun caught you a little. And then I'm just going to use that. I'm not adding any powder to it. I'm just kind of going over it to help blend it in a little bit. Now let's go back to that highlighter quad and do some shadow. I'm going to use, I'm sorry, my chair is creaking all of a sudden. I'm going to use this color as a shadow, and then I'm going to use this one as a highlighter. So let's see how this goes. Why is this chair creaking? I am not a big eyeshadow person or try different eyeshadows. I want good lashes and then just a really basic kind of bronzy color on my lids and a little bit of highlighter. Like, I don't go too crazy. This is a gorgeous color. I'm really liking this. I was worried it might be a little bit too shiny, kind of. Do my brows. I do not have any Osmosis products for my brows. That is another thing. I don't even know if they make brow products. I just take a Q-tip to clean up my brows so you can see the difference from here to here. And I just wet it with any water spray. I used to use Fix Plus. Right now, because this came in a set, it's Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. Doesn't matter. You can run it underwater. I just am not in a bathroom right now to do that. So I just keep a spray handy and do it that way. So I use one side I keep wet and the other side I keep dry. Don't know what my dogs just heard. I think they think someone's here. There's no one here. So yeah, so I just spray that on one side and then keep the other side dry. Then I'm going to use my Anastasia Brow Wiz. I'm going to fast forward to this because nobody needs to see this. It's just filling in my brows a little bit, adding a little color. All right, now I'm going to take the one that's right above it, right over here. Use that as my highlighter for my brow bone and my inner corner. So I'm just adding that right up there. And right in the inner corner. Not sure if you can see the difference on camera, but I like just that little bit of something up there and a little bit on the inner corner to kind of bring some brightness. Okay, let's see. She did give me a plum eyeliner. I have my lashes on, where's my lash brush? I always put my lashes on. It's the first thing I do before I even do my hair, because I am used to lash extensions, but because after the whole coronavirus thing, my lashes all came out. You know what I mean? Like they didn't last through that being home. And so I just kind of started putting lashes back on. So it's the first thing I do. This is a eyeliner by them, and it is in the color Plum. I'm going to actually line my waterline with this. This is a pretty color. Something different, stepping out of the norm. I don't wear a lot of eyeliner anymore, but when I do, it is only on my top. I don't ever put eyeliner. It closes off my eyes too much as we get older. I feel as if, this is just my opinion, it draws too much attention to the under eye area and then causes it to be noticeable if you have creasing, anything like that. So I tend to keep, I mean, I might use a little bit of shadow under my eyes. Like, actually, we can do that now. I will show you what I would do with that, right? Why not? I'm going to use that brownish gold color. I don't know if this will show up or not. I just take it and smudge it out a little bit under the eye. I will say this, that translucent powder for under the eyes, I'm noticing a little bit of too much powder. I'm going to just clean that up a little bit. My typical go-to for under eyes is the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Under Eye. Let's do some lips. This is Osmosis lip in the color Spoil Me. I believe this is a liquid lipstick. Oh, pretty color. It's like a pinky, kind of a milky color, but not too milky where it makes me look like gross. It's a pretty color. It's actually kind of glossy. It's not like your typical liquid lipstick. Yeah, has a glossy feel to it. I'm going to give it a second. And then I do have a gloss that I had planned on putting on over that. We'll see how that goes. I always set my makeup with a setting spray. The one I love is the Too Faced one. Shake my hair out a little bit. Let's see, we'll add this one. This is the Osmosis Color Lip Glaze in the color Thankful. I haven't used like a squeeze tube type of lip gloss in years. I don't know how to, ooh, okay, I don't know. Hold on. Let's see here. Oh, okay, so a couple things. One, I don't think I would typically need this over the Spoil Me color. However, I just wanted to play with this. This is very pepperminty. Like, I love that. This would be a good one. This had a lot of color to it as well. Actually, you know what? Let's put a little bit on my hand of both colors and I'll show you. It's like one of those ones that would be perfect for just like a pop of color to carry along with you in your purse when you need some color and also like a little bit of freshness. All right. So let's look at this here. This one right here on the bottom is the Spoil Me and the top one is the Thankful. I would definitely say that the Spoil Me does not come out with as much color on the lips. This one either. This one is more of like kind of a clear gloss with a tint of color to it. But I have both of them layered on and they actually layered really nice and they feel really, really great on my lips. Wiping my hand off now. But yeah, I just figured we would sit down, get ready together. I need to run a brush through my hair and do some hair oil. But I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me. If there are any Osmosis products that you have wondered about, I do have, and I'm going to do the Pressed Base in Beige Medium. They're powder. I'm going to give that a shot one day. Maybe I'll just do a wear test. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I mentioned, if you are new to my channel, I would love if you click that little red button right down below and subscribe and follow along. And as always, I will post 2 additional videos that you might find interesting right over here. And thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today while I got ready. Have a great one, guys. Bye.